Hi besties, greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys some certain things you need to turn on YouTube Studio so that YouTube will start recommending your videos. See guys, if YouTube has not started recommending your videos, you are missing a lot, because when YouTube start recommending your videos, you're going to get a lot of views and a lot of subscribers from YouTube recommending your videos. So there are some certain things you need to turn on YouTube Studio so that YouTube will start recommending your videos. So that's what I want to share with you guys today. So you'll be making use of YouTube Studio, the website, and not the app. So that's what you'll be using, the website. Okay. So without wasting much of your time, come, let me show you how to do this. So guys, you'll be using your YouTube Studio website. Okay, all you need to do is to type in studio.youtube.com. okay, you go to your website. When you go to your website, you click on this customization. Okay, you wait a little for it to open. So when it opens, it is going to show you something like this. You have to go to your home tab. You click your home tab. When you click your home tab, the first thing you are going to do is to turn this on. Okay, this home tab, this I've already turned my on, so it is you're going to turn it on. All right, so after that, then you click on this add session. Okay, this add session, you're going to click on it. So there you are going to see a lot of things like for you. Okay, for you is the different videos YouTube shows on for you page. When someone click on your video, you're going to see for you. So you're going to turn it on and you're going to turn it on. Like you click on it, when you click on it, it has added. Okay, so you click on videos. Okay, so you click on popular videos. Okay, so that when someone go to your channel, the person is going to see popular videos, the person is going to see latest video, the person is going to see different videos, like different categories of videos. So you're also going to click on short videos. I've added them already, as you can see. So you click on live. You're going to see a lot of things here. You just be clicking on the ones that you want to add. Okay, and add. Like me, I added for you, I added videos, popular videos, I added short videos, I added live streams, I added created playlists. So you also have to click, you also have to add playlist. If you don't have a playlist, you have to create one. Okay, so after you must have added them, they are going to show. So these are the ones that I've added. You just see short videos, popular videos, created playlists, past live streams. So you're going to add them. Okay, so you can also click on for you these more settings. You can also click on it and you're going to see something like YouTube should recommend your all your videos or your recent videos. So you choose any one you want. If you want YouTube to recommend all your videos, you choose. Or if you want YouTube to recommend your recent videos, you choose. You get it when you click on these more settings. Okay, so after you are done adding these things, okay, after you are done, so don't forget to add when you click on this, you're going to see like videos that your return subscribers can watch whenever they come to your video. Like whenever someone click on your video, so you add there, you click there and add. Okay, so when you are done adding, please don't forget to click publish. You're going to see publish up here. Don't forget to click on it, because if you don't click on it, YouTube is not going to establish all the things that you have said. Okay, you have to click publish. When you click publish up here, so everything is going to be set. This will help YouTube to start recommending your videos. This will help YouTube to start pushing out your videos. Like guys, it really works. Okay, it really works. If you haven't set this, you are missing a lot, because you need to set this. Okay, you click on it. And guys, also when you go to your profile, don't forget to put your YouTube banner. Okay, if you don't have one, you can go to Canva and create one. You will see already existing ones there. You can edit it, and put the name of your channel and other stuffs. Okay, so you put a profile. When you put a profile, don't forget to put any website like email that someone can contact you with. Okay, you put everything you want to put. This description, don't forget to write what your channel is all about. Okay, but you can also leave it if you don't have, but it's very necessary you write what your channel is all about. It will help YouTube to know what your channel is all about, and to also push out your contents and recommend your videos to people. So guys, if you haven't set this, just check it out. It's not difficult, and set it. Okay, it will really help you, because this will enable YouTube to start recommending your videos and pushing out your channel and your content to people, okay, to large audience. So guys, that's what I said. Let me share with you guys today. So set it, and please make sure you like this video if you haven't liked. And if you have any question, you are free to leave it in the comment section. Make sure you drop something in the comment section. I love you guys, and I am praying for all of you. Don't give up. You will surely get monetized. Okay, see you on my next video. Bye guys. I love you. Best days. Bye.